cost of aluminum pergolas, they do come with a fancy price tag. They are, one thing to keep in mind is they are rainproof. We can add screens to them. We can put heaters on them. We can do LED light kit. So you can basically have an outdoor room, and you have to look at it as, okay, if I'm going to do this in rough shingle room and add the same components to it, I think you're probably getting pretty close. Maybe the roof comes in at 10 to 15% more, but aluminum pergola that's got the bells and whistles on it, I think you could plan to pay between 30 to 50,000 for those in the larger 19 by 19 coverage areas.